English Fast, helping advanced learners of English build vocabulary fast. CEFR C1. Inconvenience, neutral, verify. Inconvenience. Inconvenience is a noun and a verb. C1 learners usually know inconvenience. At C1, an inconvenience, noun, refers to something that causes difficulty because of effort or time. Here are some examples. I am sorry for the inconvenience. Having to wait for 30 minutes was a small inconvenience. He apologized for the inconvenience that his delay caused. Neutral. Neutral is an adjective. C1 learners usually know neutral. Neutral describes colours which are not strong and bright, as well as being independent and not supporting any side in an argument. Here are some examples. They painted the room in a neutral colour. He is going to stay neutral in this discussion. Given earlier arguments, they decided to meet on neutral ground. Verify. Verify is a verb. C1 learners usually know verify. To verify means to prove that something is true, to be certain of the facts. Here are some examples. It was not possible to verify what she had said. I can verify that they were here at the time. You can easily verify it by repeating the calculations. Now write some of your own sentences with inconvenience, neutral and verify. Download the free C1 handbook sample from englishfast.co.uk.